Alright, let's take a look at a Zippo that I just got the other day. And this one is really plain. And it came, first of all, it came in a nice little protective sleeve over the regular Zippo box. And this one says Royal Blue on it. So that protective sleeve's nice. There's the normal Zippo black box. And it also says Royal Blue, genuine Zippo, made in the USA in Bradford, PA, 16701. Nothing special about the inside except that it's made in the USA. And it's got the Zippo logo. So here is the Royal Blue matte finish Zippo. No etchings, no engravings, no stamps, no plaques, very plain, excellent to carry, no fingerprints. Of course, this is on a brass body and it was made in K of 15. I think that's November. You can see a really crisp Zippo stamping, Bradford, PA, made in USA, K of 15. Excellent sound. Steel insert. Fires up nice. So let's do a drop test on this thing. From about 18 inches. No rattle, no breakage. Good sound, still lights. Let's do a drop test with this thing lit from about 18 inches. Okay, there you go. It passes the drop test. No damage, fires up nice. So that is the Royal Blue matte finish Zippo. And it is on a brass body. Pretty nice little Zippo. And that probably deserves a little cowbell. Let's see if we can do a remote control cowbell. Knuckle bump.